Oh my god, guys, it's still snowing. It is still snowing. Look at that. Good morning. Hi, mi amor. Oh my god. Guys, only in Chicago does it snow in May. Oh, there you are. There you are, my little girl. Oh yeah, show me. Do you know how to sit? Sit. Good girl. Okay guys, so for those of you who know me, know that I don't really cook Mexican food because I don't know how to do it. Today, I am going to attempt to make Pinto Beans. Okay, so as far as my research, it should be easy. You're supposed to use a big pot and a lot of water. Nobody told me how hard this was gonna be. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and start the water. I have half a pot. I don't know, I'm thinking maybe there's like 10 cups of water in here maybe. And I'm gonna pick out my pinto beans. I'm going to add 1.5 cloves of garlic. Mind you, I've never made this before, so. Okay, so I have 2 cloves of garlic. One is like regular size and the other one's kind of like a little bit more on the smaller side. So I'm gonna grab that. I'm gonna add this to the water. Okay, and I'm also gonna add a piece of onion. So I'm thinking that's too much, so maybe just half of this. Add that to the water. I'm just gonna look through them to make sure there's no there's no like weird stuff in here, maybe like little roots of something. Okay, so I'm gonna do 1 more cup. And just go right through them. Okay guys, so I did rinse these really fast. As you can see, they are a little wet right now. But once this water boils, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil, and then I'm gonna dump the beans in there. So I'm just gonna wait it out for a couple minutes till the water boils. Okay guys, so it looks like the water is about to start boiling, so I guess this would be a good time to do the salt. So I'm gonna do about a tablespoon, maybe like this much, like a little. I'm also gonna do a little bit of an oil. Okay, I think that's good. And I think it's safe to put the beans in here now. I think I'm gonna add more beans. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add a total of 3 cups of beans, because I could always freeze them and store them for a later time. Okay, so I gave these a quick rinse and I'm gonna just dump them in here. So I'm having a total of 3 cups of beans. All right, we're supposed to wait about 1.5 hours to 2 hours possibly. So let's see what happens. The water's starting to boil. It looks like it's gonna happen. So that's the current update. It's 4:55, so I think so it's pretty much like 5 o'clock, so I'm thinking 6:15, 6:30. Okay guys, update like number 2 or 3, I don't know. It's only 5:03. The beans are boiling, but I did realize that I had the flame on kind of like a higher, it was like, I don't know, it was like that. So it was pretty high. So I did turn it down to like a low to just kind of, it's still boiling. It's still boiling, but it's low. So I don't want to burn them. I remembered that like the flame's supposed to be on low, so we'll see. And as far as an update on me, drinking a beer. I am opening a beer and eating chips and salsa because, you know, while I wait. Why not? So one beer and a bunch of chips and salsa later. It is now, let's see, it is now 5:47. We're gonna check up on our beans. Let's see. So I still have it on, let's see if this zooms in, like a 4.5 medium. It is 5:48. And this is what it looks like. So the water did turn a little brown. I know I'm supposed to kind of like squeeze one and see how hard or how soft it is. Okay, and it's still pretty hard, so I know it's still like, it needs more time. Maybe like another 30 minutes. I think so far, so good. It is now 6:18, which means that it is about 90 minutes since we started our Pinto Beans, frijoles de la olla. So let's go and check on them. Let's see how they're doing. Okay, so they're still boiling. I think they look pretty good. I think they're done. They seem pretty soft. And if I can take a guess, I think it needs a little bit more salt too. So let's see. Yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more salt just because I feel like it could use just a little tiny bit more. Let's see how this one goes. Okay, so this one's soft. I think I'm gonna give it about, okay, this one's hard. What the heck? I'm gonna give it like 10-15 more minutes and come back and try it again. But it looks good. I think it looks good. Right? Look at that. Oh, and by the way, it is now 6:22. You remember we started like at 4:45-ish. So now it's been about an hour and a half. All right, and if you've made frijoles de la olla in the past, let me know if I'm doing something wrong. Let me know if you decide to try to make them. How did it come out? Any suggestions? Or if you want to see me attempt making something else, let me know in the comments below. You can see it has been an additional 10-15 minutes. And I'm just gonna check. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I added a little bit more water just because I felt like it was drying up. Or running a little low. My preference, I wanted a little bit more caldo for it. So let's do this one test. Let's see how it goes. Okay, it's soft. That's soft too. On top. Okay. I think it's good. I think we're good. I think I'm gonna stop it here. And just to recap, and if you're Hispanic like me, then you know that having beans, you know, whether they're frijoles a la olla or frijoles refritos, then you know that having beans is kind of like a staple in your home. So if you have beans, then you'll be able to just pair that up with any or many side other like main courses. But anyway, yes, this was my first attempt in making frijoles de la olla. I'm really good at eating them, but I've never actually made them, so this is my first time. Thank you guys so much for watching this weird shenanigan video that I thought it would be a little interesting to kind of show how to make them. With that said, you could enjoy a bowl of frijoles de la olla, like a soup sorta. Kind of just serve it on your own and put some cebolla, cilantro, chile, and just have it like that. Or you can, you know, grab beans and then use it as a side dish for one of your main courses. So like if you have like a main, like a platillo or anything like that, you can just use your beans. Plan for me is I am going to refry them, possibly maybe tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them cool. Refry some tomorrow and probably make a dish. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you until next time. Woo! Okay, I think that was too much. But... Oh, I'm confused, mommy. Can we see the paw? Paw? Give me the paw. No? All right.